Hi, I'm Carlton, an Autowbrake team member. Welcome to the Autowbrake Installation Instruction Series. In this video, we're going to talk about connecting the Autowbrake to the trailer wiring and mounting the Autowbrake to your trailer. It's very important to understand that we like you to wire the Autowbrake first before you mount it. The reason is you have limited wire and length. So we want to make sure that you wire it and then you find the location on your trailer so you have adequate wiring needed for this process. After you've wired your Autowbrake to the junction box, the next step is to mount the Autowbrake on your trailer. We provide two number 10 hex head screws that you'll use to do that. These are self-tapping screws. You'll need a number 10 hex head bit to do that. What we normally recommend is you take one section or one portion, one hole here, put your screw through it, and then start drilling. Since they're self-tapping, once it bites, stop there and slowly tighten that up. You don't want to tighten it too fast or you could break that self-tapping screw. Once you get it to a level location, do the same thing on the second hole, and that'll be your mounting location outside. Again, you can mount these inside as well too. It just depends on where your junction box is located and how you really want to mount it. Once you have your Autowbrake wired to your trailer and the Autowbrake mounted to your trailer, the next steps are calibration and changing and selecting your settings for your Autowbrake. If you have any further questions about the Autowbrake trailer mounted brake controller, please take a look at our website at www.getautobrake.com or look us up on Facebook. Or, more importantly, just give us a call. We'll be happy to help you.